In this video, I'll show you how to add a background color to a card in Gamma app, step by step, so you can make your presentation look cleaner, more branded, and more visually appealing. Whether you're building a pitch deck, a lesson, or a simple content page, changing the card background can help your design stand out and feel more polished. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Gamma tips and easy software guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your Gamma project and go to the presentation or document where your card is located. Once you're inside the project, scroll through your content and find the exact card you want to customize. Gamma organizes content into cards, so you want to make sure you select the right one before changing anything. Click directly on the card so it becomes active and ready for editing. After selecting the card, look for the Card Design or Style options. Depending on the layout and version of Gamma you're using, these settings may appear in a toolbar, a side panel, or a card customization menu. The goal here is to open the formatting controls that let you change the appearance of the card itself, not just the text inside it. Once the design options are open, look carefully for the background color setting. If Gamma shows a background color option, click on it to open the color picker. From there, choose the color you want for the card background. You may see preset colors, theme colors, or custom color options, depending on your plan and project settings. Pick a color that fits the style of your content and the overall look you want to create. If you're making a business deck, you might choose a subtle neutral shade. If you want something bold and eye-catching, you can use a stronger accent color. Once you've selected your color, take a moment to review the card. This is an important step because the most common mistake is choosing a background color that makes the text hard to read. Make sure your text still has enough contrast against the new background. If the text blends in too much, adjust either the background color or the text color until everything is easy to read and looks balanced. If the card looks good, you're done. The selected Gamma card will now have a different background color, and your design should feel more customized and professional. You can repeat the same process for any other cards in your project if you want a consistent style throughout the presentation. A quick pro tip: keep your background colors consistent with your brand and avoid using too many different colors in one deck unless that's part of your design strategy. Clean, simple styling usually looks more modern and easier to follow. Also, always preview your cards on both light and dark displays if possible, because colors can look slightly different depending on the screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Gamma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.